Hello everybody, this is Renee Bratton, and this is day 15, I believe, in your Canva training. And this is going to be really cool. Let's jump onto Canva here. Actually, let's start on the home page. What I'm going to show you here today might be something that is really helpful with our new business in Success Connection with the YouTube videos. I'm going to show you how you can use a presentation that's already created in Canva and tweak it to fit whatever you need. And so here we go. Let's get started. So let's click on, this is the home page, so let's click on presentations. And you'll notice when you hover your mouse over here that this is a presentation that has 27 pages. So you can see, take a quick view of the different format there. Here's one that has 25 pages. And if you just hold your pointer here, you can see all the different layouts. And so on and so forth, all the way down. You can kind of view, what you like. I really like this one. I don't know why. It just really kind of sticks out at me. So you can pick whichever. You don't have to use all of the pages. You can delete some of the pages. You don't have to put them all into your project. But let's just start with page number 1. And I want to show you, why is it not going in there? Must have slow internet. Okay, so here's my page. And again, you just change this. I'm just going to say YouTube training. So then I'm going to change this to my name. Whoops, can't spell my own name. Okay, my website and everything is Generate Your Wealth. Okay, now, but the colors that I use for my website are not the bright pink. Actually, what I like is an orange color. So I want to change these pinks to orange. So if you just click on this, and then you click up here, if you can see my mouse pointer, and I am going to pick this orange. Now, if you look down here, if you can see where I'm at, down here, it says change all. So it's going to change all of these pinks to the orange. So I've only got 2 of them, but if I had 6 or 8 of them on the page, it would change them all. So you can see how that works. Now, I don't particularly care for this. I don't know. I don't like that thing. So I'm going to take it off. I'm going to take this and I'm going to say, go up here in the corner and say copy. And then I'm going to bring it back down like that. So I'm getting a little different section of this thing because this isn't all showing up here. And I've picked colors that are crossed from each other on the color wheel. So that looks very good. Okay, so then let's add a page. And I'm going to decide, let's say I want this page. And the reason I picked this page was just to be able to show you real quickly how you can change these colors. So right now, this color here, excuse me, is highlighted. So let's click on a pink. So then the pink shows up here. Okay, so I'm going to click on that pink, and I'm going to say that I want to change it all to this orange. Okay, so initially it changes the one that's highlighted, and I go down here, and I say change all. And there it changes them all to the orange color. And you can do that with any of them. So then again, you just add page, and then you can go back over here and pick another one out of all of these. And you can just keep building and building and building however many pages that you want in your a video. And then you can just upload this into your video maker, and voila, you're all set to go. So that is it for today's training. Again, I'm just going to take you home here and kind of show you one more time. it is under Create Designs and Presentation. And then again, over on the left-hand side is all the presentations. And you just pick the one that, you know, that strikes you, the one that you like. And see all the pages that it has already created. They're all in this same, you know, pattern and all of that kind of stuff. So this is just perfect. All you got to do is decide what you want, dump them in there, change your wording, change your colors. Let's say you want this to be, this isn't going to look good because the colors are not coordinated on the color wheel, but just as an example. And we're going to say change all, and voila, there you go. So that's the end of the video for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please, please, please leave a comment so that I know that people are enjoying them and they're getting value out of these videos. So we'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.